So here, if you visualize the problem correctly, you will get the answer within seconds. And by doing this, they also increase their memory retention ability. Hi everyone, I'm Rohit Mehta. Welcome to ATP STEM. In this video, we will learn a simple trick to find the acceleration of system of masses which are either placed in contact or connected by a light string. By visualizing the problem correctly, you will get the answer. Now, students who tend to visualize the problem and try to solve the question mentally in their head, they tend to increase their speed and efficiency over a period of time. And by doing this, they also increase their memory retention ability. Now, let us try to understand this trick by taking a very basic problem. Here you can see 5 kg and 10 kg masses are connected by a light string. Question is, we have to find the acceleration of these blocks. To get the answer, most of the students will take this approach. Firstly, in order to know what forces are acting on the masses, we need to draw the free body diagram. You can see 5g sine 30, which is 25 Newton, is acting in this direction, while 10g is acting in the downward direction. So next step would be, we will be applying Newton's second law for these two masses. We will be getting net force that is equal to mass times acceleration for both the masses. By taking these two equations, by simplifying them, we can figure out the acceleration. To get the acceleration in this question, you will be taking 30 to 45 seconds in order to get the answer. But what if I tell you there is a simple trick by which you can mentally solve the question and get the answer within seconds? So let us understand this trick. What we have to do first is we have to find the unbalanced force in the direction of motion. And then once we know the unbalanced force, we divide with the total mass of the system, we get the acceleration. That's it. Now let us apply the same trick on the question. In the same problem, first try to visualize in which direction the system is trying to move. Can you see this 100 Newton is trying to take the system in this direction where 25 Newton is trying to take it away? So what is the total unbalanced force? Yes, it will be 100 minus 25, which is 75 Newtons. Dividing this with the total mass, that is 5 plus 10, 15, you will be getting an answer that is 5 meter per second square. Isn't this amazing? You are getting the answer within seconds. By practicing multiple problems, you can get the answer within seconds in your head without even lifting your pen. Now let us look at another question. In this question, you can see we have 2 kg, 4 kg and 8 kg connected by a light string, which is placed on a smooth surface. Now we have to find the acceleration of these blocks. All the surfaces are smooth, we have to take G 10 in order to get the answer. Now I will suggest you to pause this video, do it by yourself, get the answer. Okay, now let me explain by applying this trick how we can solve the problem. Firstly, we need to visualize that what is the direction of motion and which forces are acting in that particular direction. You can see 8g, 4g and there will be 2g force which will be acting vertically down. But system of masses are moving in this direction. So we have to first observe which forces are acting in that direction. Yes, you can see 2g sine 30 which is trying to take the system in this direction. There is no other force. So can we say this is the unbalanced force? Correct. So we got the unbalanced force. Now we have to just divide it with the total mass. That is 8 plus 4 plus 2. You get the answer as 5 by 7 meter per second square. So here, if you visualize the problem correctly, you will get the answer within seconds. Let us take another problem. In the next question, you can see we have 4 blocks of given masses connected by massless string and pass over massless pulley as shown in this figure. We have to find the acceleration of the blocks. Try to do this by yourself. Now, in this question, if you try to visualize it properly, you can see 2G, 4G, 4G, these forces are trying to take the system in downward direction, while this 5G is trying to take it away from that direction. So what is the net unbalanced force in the direction of motion? Yes, this is total 100 Newton, this is 50 Newton. So it should be 100 minus 50, which is trying to take the system in this direction. You can visualize this. Now once you get the unbalanced force, just divide it with the total mass of the system. So next step would be unbalanced force, that is 100 minus 50, dividing with 15, you get the answer. Right? So let us apply the same trick in another question. In this question, you can see a block A which is not sliding over block B, and two forces are acting externally on the system. Blocks are kept on smooth surface. We have to find the acceleration of the blocks. In this question also we can apply the same trick. We can see 2F is a greater force, F is a smaller force. What is the net unbalanced force? Correct. That will be 2F minus F, which is F, which is acting in this direction. So what we have to do next? We have to take the direction of motion like this, and unbalanced force, which is 2F minus F, we divide with the total mass. We get the acceleration as F by 2m meter per second square. Now, after knowing this trick, I will be giving you some questions which you can try and see if you are properly able to apply the trick in these questions or not. So please try to take a screenshot from here, and I will be attaching the solution of these problems in the description below. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel to get such amazing tips and tricks. Along with this, we will be helping you with exam related guidance also. Thank you so much for watching this video.